So in this Canadian investing tutorial, I will be showing you how to buy cryptocurrency inside of your TFSA or your tax-free savings account here in Canada using Wealthsimple. Once Wealthsimple is opened up, go to this bottom bar, select the magnifying glass. Now if you were to go to crypto right here, it'll then bring you to the crypto screen. But if you were to go ahead and let's just say select Bitcoin and then press buy, it's going to make you open up a crypto account, which is not your TFSA. So the workaround around this is to find a crypto ETF that you can buy and then put that inside of your TFSA. So if I were to go back here to search right here, and if I were to type in the word Bitcoin as an example, I'll type in Bitcoin. At the top, there's Bitcoin, it says cryptocurrency right here. But if you were to scroll down, like in this example, EBIT, Evolve Bitcoin ETF. That is how you guys can purchase Bitcoin and then put that inside of your TFSA. So if I wanted to select EBIT right here, I can then go to the bottom left and select your account, make sure that TFSA is selected, then go to the bottom right and press trade and then press buy. Once you're on this page right here, you can go to the top right and choose what order type. I will keep it at market for this example. So let's say you wanted to buy $5 worth of Bitcoin. It'll then go ahead and show you how much shares that is. And if this looks good, go to the bottom or go to where it says review. Then on this page, make sure that under account, the TFSA is selected. And if you want to proceed with the transaction, go to the bottom. In my case, press key order or press buy and then follow the steps after. So that is how you guys can buy cryptocurrency inside of your TFSA here in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.